practice, and she's not telling me that. You know that, right?
Yeah.
So this is 151 for trainers. And then I have a couple of the art rares. It's the best set. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Everyone loves it. But yeah, pick out what you like and we can work it out.
What's that?
I like the Ultras a lot. The Pikachu. I don't have Pikachu. Okay, you have Pikachu? Okay.
Mega Latios.
Okay, good. I have like 5 copies.
PSA 10? PSA 10? We need sleeves for
We're at 130. Does that work?
we need sleeves for the big one.
Alright. 180. Alright, Latios, System Chapter.
Which one do you want?
We got Basic Energies, Zapdos,
Lucario, Kangaskhan.
we got all these 151s for 180.
You want Team Rocket team or you want Cynthia? Cynthia? Garchomp? Cynthia and Garchomp?
Wait, did you send me 2? Yeah, so this is 151. The full. And then I have a couple of the art rares.
Yeah, it's a short.
It's the best set. Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Pokemon. I really wanted to watch Pokemon.